Hello children, welcome back. In yesterday's video, we have completed chapter 1, My Family. Family means our near and dear ones who live under one roof, live togetherly in a place called home. Sweet home is called a family. So children, in that chapter, we got to know from Mohan about his family and house. We got to know that Mohan's mother was a caring mother who looked after her family, looked after her children. Again we got to know about Mohan's grandfather, who was a kind old man. Then we got to know about Mohan's sister named Maya, who was an intelligent girl, very good at her studies. Next we came to know about Mohan's father. He was a strong man. Next, we got to know about Mohan's cousin named Sumit. According to Mohan, Sumit was a funny boy. Then we came across Mohan's parrot, whose name was Kiki. On that day, her mood was not good. He was grumpy and sad. Grumpy means not very happy, children, no? Yes. After that, we got to know about the rooms in Mohan's house. Whether it may be the kitchen, whether it may be the drawing room, whether it may be the bedroom with two beds. The dirty bed was of Mohan and the clean bed, neat and tidy bed was of Maya. So, this much we got to know about Mohan's family. Now, today we will start our next chapter. Not chapter, same chapter, but next topic, new topic, that is a poem named The Best House. Okay children? So, let's go. So children, same chapter, chapter 1, but poem. Name of the poem is The Best House. Before starting the poem, tell me children, according to you, what do you mean by best house? Best house means our own house where we can move freely wherever we want to go, whatever we want to do without any restrictions which we can't do in others' house. Tell me children, can you roam here and there without asking in others' house? No, na? It is a bad manner. So, we don't feel free also. But in our house, we are free to do anything. So, that's why I am saying that our house is the best house. Our house is the safest place and the most comfortable place to stay in. No matter what, wherever we are, at the end of the day, home is a home. No place is as comfortable as our own house. I will give you some examples. No need to worry. Come, let's go. So dear children, see these houses? See? This is a big house. This is a small house. A kacha house, or you can say a hut. People living in this big house will feel safe and comfortable in their house. And the people living in this kacha house, this hut, also will feel the same, as safe and comfortable as the people living in their big house. So children, come, I will give you some more examples. Come with me. Now children, look at these pictures. Yes children, in this picture you can see plants, trees are growing freely in the jungle. Here in this picture, same plants, trees are there, and one more thing is there, see, waterfall. The waterfall is moving freely. No one is there to stop them. So tell me children, can you make the plants and trees grow inside your house? Or can you let the waterfall move freely inside your house as they used to be in the jungle? No, na? So children, everything has their own places to stay in and live freely. Come, I will give you some more examples. See these flowers children? See, looking so beautiful, children. Can you make them bloom in this way in your house in a big scale? No, na? In our house also there are plants, trees, flowers, but not like this. See how they are blooming so grandly here. See children. So to make the flowers bloom in this way, we need a big area. It is not possible inside our house. So that's why I am saying children, everything has their own place to live in. Come, I will show some more examples. See these wild animals children. See, you can see, I have given some animals, wild animals here. They are roaming here and there according to their will. Now tell me children, can they roam around our house as they used to do in the jungle? Of course, no. They are free only in their own places, not in our house. Now children, see this last example. What are all these children? These are water animals. I have not given all the water animals. I have given only few only. So I want to say that, see, you can see these animals are moving freely wherever they want to go. But is it possible in our house? Can they be able to survive in our house without water? No. The answer is big no. Now let's go to the next picture. See children, what are all these? These are birds. See, you can see they are moving, they are flying togetherly with their groups. See children, can they able to fly like this in our house? Will they be comfortable in our house? Of course not children. So the moral of this discussion is that everybody, everything has their own suitable surroundings, their own suitable place where they can stay safe and comfortable. So children, best house is the place where we can live freely. No place in this whole world is as safe and as comfortable as our own house. This much for today. We will read the poem in our next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye-bye.